Hello, Alethea here. I'm gonna do a minimalist, cozy, simple, chill makeup tutorial today. Something that I tried yesterday and I absolutely fell in love with the way that it just brightened up my look, and I wanted to share it. So I'm only using one palette, the Natasha Denona mini bronze palette. I picked this up in line at Sephora a couple months ago. I'm sure they still have it. It's honestly great. Love it. Especially if you have blue or green eyes. Like, these are the colors you should be using to make your eyes pop. You can use whatever colors you have, obviously. There's a lot of great resources out there if you just Google what, like, your eye color and what colors of makeup you should be wearing. And you can go based on that color palette and really have fun and play around with it. I don't know them off the top of my head. I just know that oranges are great for blue and green eyes. So here we go. I'm taking this eyeshadow brush. It has a little tip at the end. You can definitely use an angled brush. Mine are all dirty right now, so that's why I'm using this one. I'm gonna go in with this orange color right in the middle. From here, I'm just drawing a very precise line on my lash line, kind of winging it out. If you know me, you know I love a good wing. Also going to smudge this slightly on the bottom lash line. Already it just like lifted my eyes so much. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Bottom lash line. Guys, I'm going on my first cruise at the end of this month. I'm so excited. I actually had a dream about a cruise ship, like, before I even knew what it was like or anything. I've since watched videos after my dream because I was curious. In my dream, it looked like Vegas on a boat. And when I went online to watch videos of what a cruise ship was like, that's literally what it is. Like, my dream was so accurate. Never seen a cruise ship, never been near one. And I guessed like exactly what it looked like. My dream told me the layout, what the main atrium hall looks like, everything. It was so crazy. So crazy. Now I'm just going in with this darker color and I'm just gonna go right over the orange. That's like intuition on point is what that is. But I'm really excited. Like, I cannot wait to just go relax in the hot tub in the swimming pool. So nice. Cool. So now we have that line laid out. It's a little messy. That's okay. If you know me, you know I like messy. I'm just gonna take a small blending brush. I'm just going to kind of go right on top of it and just smudge it out a bit. Beautiful. Now from here, I'm taking the darkest color. And I'm taking that same brush I was just using. And I'm just gonna be super cautious and place this right on the outer edge. Have y'all ever been on a cruise before? What did you think? It'll be a Carnival cruise. Is there anything I must do, must try? Let me know. I'm really wanting to go to comedy night. That sounds fun to me. I guess maybe it's not comedy night. They probably have it every night, but I'm trying to go at least once. Gorgeous. Yes, she slays. Now all I'm doing is taking mascara, placing that on my eyelashes, my upper and my bottom lashes. Can't forget about those babies down there. it for the eyes. Like seriously, so easy, so chill, so simple. You can add falsies if you want. Oh. Everybody makes mistakes. Let me get that off of there. Cool. That's it for the eyes. Seriously, like so simple, so easy. Takes like 5 minutes, if that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I've been falling out of love with filling in my eyebrows lately. I just think I go too heavy. I'm not really liking that look. I like a lighter look. I've been doing just the brow gel, but my daughter, bless her heart, she's doing her best, decided to eat all the gel, all my brow gel. Yep, love it. So shout out Alaska, she's great. I'm just gonna go ahead and comb through my brows, and I'm just barely gonna line, like a little bit. I'm using a pencil. Just gonna fill in any places that are looking a little bald. Awesome. Now, last thing is lips. I'm using this exact same palette. I'm gonna go in with that second darkest shade I used, put it on my finger and just rub it in. From here, you can leave it matte. This should stay pretty well. Or you can put some chapstick or lip gloss over the top if you want a more glossy look, but that's it. That's the look. I'm just gonna run along with my bronzer brush. I'm not putting any new bronzer on it. This is just what was already on my brush. Just because this is a more casual makeup look, I don't want to go too heavy on the bronzer. But I think it does elevate your look a bit to have it, as well as with my blush brush, which already has blush on it. Just a couple little taps on my nose and on my cheeks, even my lips. Yeah, that's it. That's the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Something small, something minimal, something super easy and relaxed. I will see you soon. Bye.